Okay, so for this video, we are doing a PCV, packed cell volume, and a total protein. So we have our purple top EDTA tubes, we have our capillary tube, our sealant, and our mini hematocrit. So we'll start and make sure that we're inverting our blood, 4 to 6 inversions of fresh EDTA tubed blood. Once we do that, we want to fill our capillary tube about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full. I like to do 2 of them at once so that I can balance them out in the micro hematocrit. So we just want to very gently fill. And you want to make sure that we're not spilling and wasting blood, so you want to do it pretty slowly. And then we want to put it in our sealant. Make sure that it's nice and tight here. And then before we put it into our centrifuge, we want to get a wipe, a laboratory wipe, and just get the excess blood off. From there, we'll put it into our micro hematocrit. I like to put them right in the center, so the 5 and the 2, and you put the sealed side on the outside. We want to make sure we put the top on, so actually for this, have them in. I'm going to seal that, and then seal this. And we can't turn the speed, but we put it on for 4 minutes for our machine. And now we'll wait until it's done spinning. Okay, so once we remove our micro hematocrit tubes from our centrifuge, I like to just wipe it off again just in case there's any dried blood left on the tube. And then we are going to write down 4 different things. We're going to notice the color, the PCV, which we'll use this chart for, the packed cell volume, and also the Buffy code. And then we will open this and use our little refractometer to get the total proteins. So looking at this sample, you can see that it's definitely pretty hemolyzed. So we would want to write that in the record. So we would write color. We write really pale pink, hemolyzed. And then we take a look at our Buffy coat, which might be difficult to see. But what we would do is we would also again use our chart, and it's at a 1. And now we want to do our packed cell volume. So let's see if I can get this on camera. We want to line up the bottom where the blood starts, kind of the top of our sealant, and then we want to roll until our serum is at the top of the chart. And then right where that Buffy coat lies, that right above that is going to be our number. So we take a look at this, and we're at about 59. Take a look at how it should be lined up. And so we'd make sure that we write that in our record. This would be 59. Okay, so from there, we take our refractometer and we will make a little, using the tip of a slide, a little mark on here. And then with one finger on each side of that mark, we want to open it up and we want to apply the serum to our refractometer. From there, we close it, and it's kind of hard to show looking into it. We want to aim it at the light and then adjust it. And then we can get our total solids. So we're at about an 8.8. So we'd write total solids 8.8, and then we'd have someone double check us. So I'm just going to grab someone who can. Okay, so we have someone come and double check us.
All right, 8.8.
Oh, okay, that's what I got too. So now that we've had someone else verify it also, make sure that we have it written down correctly in the record. So 8.8 grams per deciliter. And then we want to make sure that we use our chemical or Kim wipe to clean off our refractometer so that it's ready for the next person. And then we're all set.